Hey guys, today I will show you how to set up ringtone on iPhone. So you know very well that iTunes of iPhone is paid. So I will today tell you how to set up ringtone on iPhone free out of cost. So first step, you must have this software, um, which name is SyncIOS. This logo is there. You can download this link I have given in description, or you can download this software from Google. Right there, download Synco iOS. Sync iOS, or or you can download from this website Synco iOS. Download the download this one. I have already downloaded. So next step is that you must have iTunes, because they know use of iTunes, but to use this software iTunes must there on your Windows. Okay, and now we will set up tune. It is very simple. So my iPhone is connected with SyncIOS. So go to ringtone maker and go to choose. So you can also choose video songs, MP3 songs, every files. So it all are video songs. See, because see this is video songs and size is very big. So I will choose this song. So you can also set up the limit up to which you want to set up this song. So I will increase the limit here. So you have to click on save and import. Now it is working. It's working. It's taking time because this is video song. Okay, there we go. It's done. So it taking some time. Okay, it added to my phone. When you will open iPhone settings and click on sounds, then on set ringtone, there will be this song. Okay, thanks, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks. So please subscribe my channel.